Dear friends, we will go for further one थ्री डायमेंशनल ज्योमेट्री को आगे बढ़ाएंगे. वेक्टर की मदद से हम थ्री डायमेंशनल को सीखेंगे. वी विल गो विद दैट और विल फाइंड वेरी सिंपल. और एक सवाल जो है एनडीए में आपको इसका मिलेगा जो आज करवा रहा हूँ, और मैं कल करवाऊंगा उसका एक सवाल और परसों करवाऊंगा तो एक सवाल. एवरी डे एवरी लेक्चर विल कंटेन वन क्वेश्चन एंड दे आस्क वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन फॉर थ्री डायमेंशन. तीन डायमेंशन के जो सवाल पूछे जाते हैं, एक ना जो एक मिनट में किया जाता है उसको आप आध मिनट में कर सकते हैं. सो सिंपल टू डू. सो आज में करते हैं. आज चलते हैं हम स्ट्रेट लाइन की बात करूँगा. स्ट्रेट लाइन की बात करूँगा. हमारा जो वेक्टर होता है, मान लो ये वेक्टर हमारे पास है, इसके हमारे पास वेक्टर हमने कहा कि ये वेक्टर आर वेक्टर है. तो आर वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू एक्स आई प्लस में वाई जे प्लस में जेड के. ये हमारे पास दिस इज आवर. ये मैंने कल बताया था कि ये डायरेक्शन रेशियो होते हैं. दे आर द डायरेक्शन रेशियोज. और ये कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं. ये इस लाइन की डायरेक्शन बताते हैं. व्हाट एंगल दे मेक, दे आर कॉल्ड कंपोनेंट्स एंड उनको डायरेक्शन रेशियो कहा जाता है, जो कि लाइन की डायरेक्शन बताते हैं. अब हम लाइन की सवाल करने से पहले हम चाहते हैं एक लाइन है, ये लाइन जो है एक इस पॉइंट से पास करती है. एक हमने पॉइंट दे दिया. एक पॉइंट से पास करने वाले कितनी लाइन हो सकती है? देयर आर इनफाइनाइट लाइन थ्रू ए पॉइंट. एक लाइन को हम बताएं कि एक लाइन इस पॉइंट से पास होती है, तो वो लाइन के पॉइंट्स जो हैं वो दुनिया भर के हो सकते हैं. अब मुझे एक लाइन, दुनिया भर की लाइन कैन पास थ्रू. हाउ मेनी लाइन कैन पास थ्रू ए पॉइंट? द पॉइंट वी कैन, सो मेनी लाइन कैन पास. एक पॉइंट दे रखा हो तो स्पेस में इनफाइनाइट लाइंस कैन बी पास थ्रू. लेकिन उसको हमें सिंपल करना है तो हम उसकी डायरेक्शन रेशियो देते हैं. Let the direction ratio of this line is, we fix up now. There is only one line can be there which passes through the point x1 y1 and has the direction ratio is equal to this. Well friend, I want to find the equation of a line. Now line की equation, I want to find the equation of the line here. This is a line to go. I want to find any point here. We take any point here. Any point is the locus of a point such that these points, this one and this have the same. What direction ratio? Yesterday I talked to you. What is direction ratio of this line now? Line direction ratio line is what? When I take any point on this is x minus x1 and y minus y1 and z minus z1. These are direction ratio. And given direction ratios are a, b, c. Therefore, x minus x1 it is proportional to a, y minus y1 is proportional to b, z minus z1 is proportional to c. So I got x minus x1 upon a is some constant, y minus y1 upon b and z minus z1 upon c. Any point, any k, like this is equal to x minus x1 is equal to k into a and y minus y1 is equal to k into b and z minus z1 is equal to k. Any point x1, y1, z1 we satisfy this equation. This is here it is. This is the equation of a line. Equation of a line given by x minus x1 divided by a, y minus y1 divided by b, z minus z1 divided by c is the equation of a straight line which is passing through the point x1, y1, z1 and has direction ratio a, b, c. Suppose I want to find the equation of a line passing through the point a 1, 2, 3 and has direction ratio 5, 1, 7. So the equation is x minus x1, that is 1 divided by 5, y minus 2 divided by 1, z minus 7 divide z minus 3 divided by. This is the equation of a straight line which is passing through. Here look here, the x, this 2, the single x minus x1. Suppose I got this equation 2x minus x minus 1 by 5, 7, y plus 1 divided by 3, z minus 1 divided by 1. Which line? This line passing through which point? It has so many points, but one point is given here. X minus x1 is 1. This is x. This is minus 1 and 1. It passes. What is direction ratio of this line is 7, 3, 1. This is here to go. What is the equation of a line which passing through the point 1, 4, 7 and has direction ratio 1, 0, 1. So what is the 1? It is equal to x minus 1 upon 1, y minus 4 upon 0 and z minus 7 upon 1. This is the equation of a line. So equation of line we can draw when one point is given and then एक पॉइंट दे रखा हो और उसके डायरेक्शन रेशियो दे रखे हो तो हम इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन हमने इस पे सीखा कि हमारे पास लाइन की इक्वेशन इस फॉर्म में कैसे होगी। ये हमारे पास सवाल, दिस इज द इक्वेशन हमारे लाइन की इक्वेशन। हमने एक बात और पढ़ी थी कि हमारे पास दो लाइन है, एक वेक्टर है जिसका नाम a1 इंटू आई और b1 इंटू जे और c1 इंटू के है, एक वेक्टर। दूसरा वेक्टर है a2 आई प्लस में b2 जे प्लस c2 के। इनके बीच का एंगल मैंने बताया था निकालना हो तो cos थीटा होता है एंड cos थीटा हमने बताया था कि इसके डायरेक्शन रेशियो कौन है इस लाइन के, इसकी a1 b1 और c1 है। इसके डायरेक्शन रेशियो क्या है लाइन के, ये वेक्टर की ये है। हमने बताया था cos थीटा इज इक्वल टू a डॉट b डिवाइड बाय मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ a और हमने वो a डॉट b लिखा a1 a2 प्लस b1 b2 प्लस c1 c2 a डॉट b डिवाइड बाय मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ a a1 स्क्वायर प्लस b1 स्क्वायर c1 का स्क्वायर और a2 स्क्वायर। दिस वाज द एंगल बिटवीन द टू वेक्टर, means angle between two lines. When two lines are given, the direction ratio are given, then we can find out here. If these lines are perpendicular, if the lines are perpendicular, then a1 into a2 plus b1 into b2 plus c1 c2 must be equal to 0. Cos 90 is equal to 0. So here, this is one point. Now suppose if I got this vector is parallel to this. When two vectors are parallel, now suppose this is a vector and this is b vector. A vector is parallel to b. So when there are two vectors are parallel, therefore a is equal to, the direction is same, difference only in the magnitude. Direction is the same, change in the magnitude only. They change only in the magnitude. When the two vectors are parallel, then what happens? Their magnitudes are different, but direction is same. A and B have got the same direction, but change in the magnitude. The magnitude is different. So let me take this way. There are two. When A is equal to K times B, it means A is parallel to B. So I will write A1 into I plus B1 into J plus C1 into K is equal to K time, I say K is here, so I take the lambda. Lambda type A2 into I plus B2 into J plus C2 into K. Well friend, I write like this. So lambda into A2 into I, lambda into B2 into J, lambda into C3 into K. When these vectors are equal, when two vectors are equal, then their components are equal. Lambda into A2, B1 is equal to lambda into B2. Oh, I got one relation when they are parallel. A1 upon A2 must be equal to B1 upon B2, C1 upon C2. When two vectors or two lines are parallel, then this way, this is here to go. I come to a question involving the lines, involving two lines. Suppose one line is here. This is one line. Another line is x minus x2 divided by a2, y minus y. This is y divided by b2 and z minus z2 divided by c2. If these two lines, what is the angle between them? Cos theta is equal to. Direction ratio of this line is a1, b1, c1. These are direction ratio. a2, b2, c2. They are the direction ratio of the second line. When we have the direction ratio of the two lines, we can find the angle same way as I discussed. A1, A2, B1 B2 plus C1 C2 divided by summation of this. Okay, let me write completely. A1 square B1 square C1 square under root. Whenever we want to find the angle between the two lines, apply this formula. Okay. When these two lines are perpendicular, then A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus my C1 C2 is equal to 0. If they are parallel, then A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. This is. If we go with this result, I do some question on the straight line where the question has been asked in the examination. I will be doing 4 questions, 5 questions that has been asked in previous year questions in NDA. So let me start. Let me do the question based on the what has been asked. This is the first question I am saying. It says find the equation of a straight line which is passing through the point. Find the equation of a straight line passing through the point. Passing through what point? Passing through the point is 1, 2, 3 and parallel to the line. Which line? This line is x minus 4 divided by 2, y minus 5 divided by 1 and z plus 7 divided by 3. Okay, to find the equation, this is a very simple question. Point is given and line parallel to this given. When this is parallel to this, it means it has got the same direction ratio or product of or proportional to this. So equation of the line which I want to find is x minus 1, y minus 2 passing through this point, z minus 3 divided by the direction ratio same parallel to 2, 1, 3. That is my answer. First question. Second question they asked in the examination is equation of a straight. You have to find the equation of straight line. I am not getting the choices. Passing through the ABC and parallel to z axis. Parallel to z axis. Okay. I need a point. Point is given. I need the direction cosine. This is parallel to z axis. What is direction ratio? Direction cosine of z axis I listed, I told 0, 0, 1. So equation is x minus a divided by 0, y minus b divided by 0, z minus c divided by 1. This is the equation of straight line that is there. Here we go. It says, the third question it says, the angle between the lines, which lines? Which direction ratios are 0, 1, 0 plus minus cos alpha is equal to 60 degree. Then what is alpha is equal to? So one direction ratio is 1, 0 cos alpha, another is 1, 0 minus cos alpha. What is the cos theta is equal to? Cos 60 is equal to cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to, I'll just write on the top. When you find the angle between the two lines, I said this is equal to cos 60. Let me write here. Cos 60 is equal to what? Is A1 into A2 plus my 1. This into this is minus my cos square alpha divided by A1 A2 B1 B2 is equal to 1 square plus my cos square alpha under root into 1 plus my cos square alpha under root is equal to 1 minus cos square alpha into 1 plus cos square alpha is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 plus cos square alpha is equal to 2 minus 2 cos square alpha is equal to 3 cos square alpha is equal to 1. Therefore, cos square alpha is 1 over 3, and so cos alpha is equal to 1 over root 3, and therefore alpha is equal to cos inverse. This is one of the choices given in NDA. This is here. He said there are two lines and we have to find the angle between the two lines. Here we go. This was the question asked in the examination. Another question asked here, I am doing one more question, जो पूछा गया यहाँ पर, वहाँ कहा गया है कि हमारे पास एक ये x एक्सिस, y एक्सिस और एक क्यूब बनाया गया यहाँ पर, क्यूब, यहाँ क्यूब बनाया गया और ये क्यूब की लेंथ 2 है, इसके पॉइंट दे दिए किताब वाले ने 0 0, दिस इज इक्वल टू 2 0 0, this is equal to 2 2 0, this is equal to 0 2 0, and this is equal to here x is here x, y 0, this is equal to 2 0 2, this is equal to 0 0 and 2, this is equal to 0 2 2, and here finally this is 2 2 2. This is the a cube whose length is equal to, given in the ND examination, this is 2 is the length given. These vertices are mentioned in the question. He says, what is the angle between the two diagonals? Angle between two diagonals. Angle between two diagonals. Well, here it is. I take the diagonal. There are one diagonal. There are 6. One here to here one diagonal. Here to here another diagonal. There to there another diagonal. There are diagonals. There are 6 diagonals you can find. Here one is, this is one diagonal. This is another diagonal. There are 4 diagonals can be. There is 4 diagonals can be possible. Here 6 faces are there. This point and this point one diagonal. This point and this point, which of one from here to there. In the room we will just visualize 1 2 मतलब ऐसे एक कोना से दूसरे कोने तक और 4 और बनेंगे और we can find here. मुझे 2 डायगोनल चाहिए. Okay, let me take one diagonal is from here to here, दिए कोना. What is direction ratio of this? 2 1 1 2 2 2 2. One diagonal I take here. This minus this is equal to 2 minus 0 2, 2 minus 0 2 and minus 0. I want to find angle with it. The angle is equal to 2 into 2 4 plus 4 minus 4 divided by root 4 plus 4 plus 4 and under root 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to cut. This is equal to 4 upon 12 is equal to 1 over 3. Therefore, cos alpha is equal to cos inverse. Very important question, has been asked many times. What is the angle between two diagonals of a cube? What is the angle between the diagonal of one face and the diagonal, this diagonal which crosses this diagonal of this face and this angle between one diagonal of the face and another diagonal here. So here diagonal, I want to find the angle between the diagonal of a face and the diagonal of a cube which is having the same common point. So, well, here, what is direction ratio of this is equal to 2 minus 0, 2 minus 0, and this is 2 minus 0, 2. This is the diagonal of the face, and this is diagonal of the cube. The direction ratio is 2 minus 2. What is angle now is, angle is 4 plus 4 divided by 4 plus 4 under root into 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 upon under root 8 and into this is equal to 12. This is equal to 8 upon 2 into 2 and 2 into 3. This is 4. 2 here is under root 2 is under root 2 upon under root 3. This is the one. Angle between that is here. The angle between the cube, diagonal of a cube and diagonal of the cube and diagonal of the face is given by this answer. This is the one. This was the one question जो हमारे यहाँ पर पूछा गया था। मेरा अगला सवाल पूछा गया है, व्हाट इज द एंगल बिटवीन द x minus 2 divided by 1, y plus 1 divided by minus 2, and z plus 2 divided by 1, and x minus 1 upon 1, 2y plus 3 upon 6, z plus 5 divided by 2. These are the two lines, and I want to find the angle between them. What is the angle between them? Friend, direction ratio of this line is 1, minus 2 and 1. Direction ratio, to find the angle I need direction ratio. This is one. Next one here, remember ये y यहाँ 2y, डायरेक्शन रेशियो 1, 6 और 2 नहीं होंगे. This 1 to 6, 2 नहीं होंगे. I cannot take direction of this line 1, 6, 2 क्योंकि यहाँ पर x अकेला, यहाँ पर y 2 है, तो इस 2 को यहाँ से निकालूंगा मैं, 2 यहाँ निकालूंगा और 2 को यहाँ भाग करूँगा यहाँ पर, तो इसकी वैल्यू 3 आ गई. तो इसकी डायरेक्शन मैं इसकी यहाँ पर 1 बनाऊंगा और इस तरह ये करूँगा. यहाँ पर 2 कॉमन निकाल के आई रिपीट हियर, यहाँ पर 2y है, 2y by 6 है, तो मैं यहाँ सिंगल बनाऊंगा, तो 2 कॉमन लूँगा, 2 कॉमन ले लिया, इस 2 को मैं काटूंगा, 2 3 6, तो यहाँ पर 3 आ गया. तो डायरेक्ट व्हाट इज कॉस एंगल बिटवीन देम इज कॉस थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 minus 6 plus 2 divided by root 1 plus 4 plus 1, and now simple to go. There is nothing wrong in that. Is equal to minus 3 divided by root, it is equal to 6, and this is equal to 14. So I can take this, और मेरा ये आंसर आ गया. This is equal to 3 upon 84 under root. When I take the acute angle, this is the acute angle. So remember friend, this is one thing you have to take care is when you take the direction ratio, see here 1, 1, 1. इनके जो coefficient of 1 होने चाहिए, make coefficient 1 and then determine the direction ratio of the line you have got. My last question is which has been asked in NDA is this question. A line passing through the point A. The point A is K1 minus 1. The B point given here 2K02, and C point is given is equal to 2 plus 2K, K and 1. He says AB is perpendicular to BC. Then what is K is equal to? Direction ratio of AB. Direction ratio of AB. This is direction ratio is what? Well, if you got 2 points on this, then direction ratio is x2 minus x1. This is k only. This into this is minus 1. This into this is 3. This is direction ratio. When 2 points are given, direction ratio is this. Direction ratio of BC, this minus this is equal to 2. This minus this is equal to k, and this is equal to minus. This minus this, x2 minus x1. This. Why? Because when we get into, if you remember, if you got any point here x1, y1 and z1, and another point is x2, y2 and z2. Here, if I take the point O, this point is OP vector. This vector is written as x1 I, y1 j. What is AB vector is equal to? What is AB vector is equal to? OB minus 1. This is equal to x2 minus x1 into I, and y2 minus y1 into j, and z2. So friend, this becomes, they are the direction ratio. When we join 2 points, then the direction ratio of line is, this is the line, x2 minus x1 into y2 minus y. This is a reference I want to give quickly. What is the angle between them? When they are perpendicular, then therefore 2k minus my k minus 3k is equal to 0. Therefore k is equal to 3. Simple question was asked. This is the simplest possible question in India. You find I finished straight line today. Tomorrow I will talking to you plane. This straight line has one question: how to find the angle between them, how to find the equation of a line pair given to get parallel to one. I hope you understand. This is the type of question they preferably ask of state line, which are very simple. Hope you can understand, and thank you for today. This is what we